Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. And it is a really hot summer day at the stifling heat of 38 degrees. I feel like I need to cool down. So what better day to go and find some really amazing Japanese kakigori, also known as shaved ice. So today I'm going to be checking out 3 different shops that offer some of the best kakigori in Tokyo. Let's go cool down. This is kakigori shop Sebastian, and I've heard that this place has kakigori that looks like a cake, so I'm really curious to see what that's like. Let's go inside and check it out. Konnichiwa. It's so cool in here already. こちらのお店のおすすめって何ですか？
はい、2つありまして、ショートケーキの形をしたもう見た目本当にショートケーキなんですね。
すごい。
で中に氷が入ってます。
へー、すごい。はい、
あと下から2番目ブリュレ。これはかき氷なのに表面にメレンゲを薄く塗ってできび砂糖をかけてバーナーで炙ります。
すごい。
でも溶けないんです。
溶けないんですか？
溶けないんです。
Wow, that is so cool. I think I'm gonna have to get those two. Those are so interesting. すごく面白そうなので、この2つをお願いします。はい。
もともと僕がフレンチをやってたんですね。フランスではクリスマスにブシュルノエルって巻き木のケーキを出すんですよ。でそれがどうしても作りたくて、でもう試行錯誤をして、で豊型っていう型があるんですけど、ブシュルノエルのあれに氷を詰めてひっくり返して生クリームを塗ったのが始まりです。はい、お待たせしました。パッションフルーツとマンゴーのショートケーキです。
わー、すごい綺麗。本当にケーキみたいですね。
そうですね。でも中に氷が入ってますので。
すごい。
早く食べないと溶けます。
わかりました。Alright, we better eat this fast then. I almost feel bad to dig into it, but we're gonna have to do it. It's gonna melt. Okay, here we go. All right, let's take a bite. Does it taste like cake or does it taste like shaved ice? Here we go. いただきます。Oh, that is so refreshing. This is really good. Honestly, the whipped cream on the outside, it really complements the shaved ice, and it has such a refreshing fruity flavor. You get this punch of mango and passion fruit. It's really citrusy, sour, but also creamy and refreshing. And the nice iciness is on the inside. So it's almost akin to eating an ice cream cake, I would say, but a fruity one. So fruity, so creamy. I could eat this whole thing. All right, this is super good. Okay, I'm gonna keep working on this, and then let's order one more dessert, the crème brûlée.
もともとうちスペインバルだったんですよ。その時にお客さんが普通に飲みに来てくれて、最近どっか遊び行ったっていう話の中で、京都に行ってかき氷食べたのよって写真を見せてくれたんですよ。その写真がもう今時のこういうふわっとしたかき氷で、値段聞いてびっくり、1300円で、それ僕すごいびっくりして、いやーこれは面白いって思って、でかき氷を始めたんですよ。
すごい。なぜ溶けないんですか、氷が。
メレンゲが断熱材になって氷が溶けないんですね。
すごい。That's so cool. What a creative idea. じゃあ早速いただいちゃいます。There we go. We can crack it. That's so cool. You can see there's strawberries inside this crème brûlée. Okay, guys, it's melting, so let's give this a taste. いただきます。What an interesting combination of flavors and textures. I love it. I love how smoky the top tastes, and it's nice and sweet. It's got this sweet, crispy layer of crème brûlée on the top, and the inside is really refreshing. It's got kind of a yogurty sorbet feel with a little bit of strawberry inside. What can I say? So creative. I'm so impressed. Perfect, unexpected combo of hot and cold. Anyway, both of these kakigoris were really unique, really delicious, and I'm so glad I tried them. I'm already melting in the heat, as you can see. And this particular shop is known for its wonderfully refreshing fruit shaved ice and their charismatic Kakigori maker, who is not unlike Salt Bae. We'll call him maybe Fruit Bae today. So let's go inside and see what this Kakigori is all about.
この店のコンセプトはフルーツをメインにした商品がたくさんありまして、もともとうちがカフェの前は八百屋でフルーツを取り扱うお店を50年やっていて、それが僕のおじいちゃんの代からだったんですけど、今僕ら兄弟がそれを継いでフルーツにフォーカスしたカフェを、展開しております。
ではぜひかき氷を食べてみたいんですけど、一番おすすめのかき氷ってどちらですか？
今一番のおすすめはMomo-Fujiっていう名前のかき氷なんですけど、マウント富士のような迫力がある日本一のかき氷なので。
おお、日本一。
日本一。
素晴らしい。じゃあぜひこちらMomo-Fujiを食べてみたいです。お願いします。
お願いします。フルーツっていうのはものすごく歴史が長いんですけど、今僕と同年代の若い人たちがフルーツを食べなくなってしまったと。でも僕らは生まれた時からずっとフルーツを食べて育ってきたので、何かフルーツっていうのをいろんな形で同じ年代の人たちにフルーツっていうものの面白さ、素晴らしさっていうのを食べる前に興味を持ってもらうためにいろんな形でパフォーマンスするようになりました。Momo-Fuji出ます。
Wow! Oh my gosh! This is amazing!
どうぞ。
Look at this! This is the Momo-Fuji! We have a whole peach on top. It looks so fresh and delicious. And honestly, this might be the biggest kakigori I've ever seen. I'm super excited to dig in. Itadakimasu! Oh, that is so good. It is so juicy and sweet. Oh my goodness. And the ice is so fluffy. Honestly, I don't think I've ever tried a shaved ice so decadent because all of this is peaches. And peaches here are very sweet, very, very high-end. You can tell this is a very high-end shaved ice. And it's all gonna fall apart because there's so much peach on here. So I'm gonna move the peach and put it on the plate that they gave us. That's an enormous peach. Our chef is very kindly gonna cut my peach for me. Look at that knife.
Okay.
That's such a beautiful peach. Oh my goodness. What kind of sauces are you using on this kakigori?
一つが桃を煮込んで作る桃のコンポートと、もう一つは桃とヨーグルトを合わせたもの。中にはスペシャルなミルクのソースも。合計3つのソースが使われたかき氷です。桃は全部で 2.5 玉。
That's amazing.
気に入ってくれた？
すごい美味しかったです。I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is an amazing kakigori. All you guys definitely have to come here and check it out. Well, this was absolutely decadent, but we have more kakigoris to try. So I'm going to finish this up and let's go check out our next kakigori shop. I have arrived at my last kakigori shop. I am quite surprised to say that I'm getting a little bit full. Who knew kakigori could be so filling, actually? But I have one last stop today, and this is Saka-no-ue Cafe, which means the cafe on the hill. And we are located on a little hill, so it's a very cute name. And this cafe is known for their really, really cute kakigori. So let's go inside and give them a try.
いらっしゃいませ。こんにちは。
こんにちは。
こんにちは。
おー、涼しいですね。素敵なお店。Alright, let's take a look at the menu. What have they got? They have some wonderful pictures on here. Oh, one of them looks like a shortcake as well. Very cute. There's one that has a beautiful flower on the top. But what really sticks out to me is this panda. That is so cute. It's called Camamberry Panda. I think it's like a camembert and berry and panda, so Camamberry Panda. I think I'm gonna have to go with that one. That sounds so good. And it's so cute.
ここの場所が坂の上にあって、夏になるともう誰もいなくなっちゃうんですよね。で、夏に美味しく食べれるものと思ってかき氷を始めました。かき氷の良さはいろんな味の組み合わせができることじゃないですかね。食べた時に一口一口違う味がして、ちょっと展開できるというか、そういうのがいいところじゃないですか。
That is so cute. ありがとうございます。Look at this. That is a panda camamberry. You can see a really thick layer of berry sauce. I love it. And this really fluffy whipped cream on the top looks so delightful. I can't wait to dig in. Let's do it. Look how creamy that is. Okay, here we go. Itadakimasu. Camamberry. Here we go. Oh, that's super good. Yum, it's so creamy. The ice is so fluffy, and you get this wonderful, tart, sweet berry sauce overflowing in your mouth. It is a really wonderful bite. And the inside ice is also flavored with a yogurt sauce, so you get a nice kind of, what would you call it? It's like a frozen yogurt. The cream on the top, it's not just creamy, it also tastes like cheese. So it's kind of, the inside is a little bit yogurty, like a frozen yogurt. The top has a slight tartness of a cheesecake. So it's a wonderful, tart and fresh summer kakigori. It's a really good combination. This is really tasty, but this actually wraps up my day in Tokyo exploring all of Tokyo's best kakigori spots. And each one was really delicious, really unique, because kakigori is a really traditional festival food in Japan, so it's really nice to see how much it's changed over the years, how you can enjoy a cake like kakigori, really fancy kakigori, really cute kakigoris. There's a little something for everybody in Tokyo. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking out these shops with me. If you liked them, make sure to give this video a like, a comment, a share, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in another video very soon. Bye guys!